Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. If you're looking to build your Forex or prop firm account, this is an invite for you to join me on this journey. This here is a live account that I'm trading, and I'm using this account with my Discord group. What I do is post screenshots of my trades into Discord in real time, and we generally open positions around the London Open, anywhere between the London Open and the Asia close. You get my entry level stop loss TP. As you can see, entry, stop loss, and there's two TP levels. Position size. Having a look at last week's results, just head over here. This is a spreadsheet. So these are the trades we took last week. If we let these trades run, in other words, let these go to target one, assuming we average out at about $100 a trade, either loss or profit, that would have been the gain. So we had 20 trades last week. That was beginning at 10th of October. 5 stops were hit, 15 reached target one and beyond. So we've got a 75% win rate with this basket of trades here. If you haven't already, you might want to consider getting funded. If you're going to join a prop firm, go with those that offer you an unlimited time. In other words, avoid this 10% 30-day time limit deadline. Don't put yourself under pressure. Okay, there's other options out there that offer challenges that give you plenty of time to reach your profit goals. Highly recommend you check those out. I can definitely recommend a couple of prop firms. So if you head over to my Discord, you're welcome to join, by the way. This is free to join, and we have this free section down here. Come down and you'll see under partners, there's 3 prop firms that I prefer. Okay, these guys have an excellent option. So watch this video that I put together on Traders with Edge. They've got quite a good option with one of their challenges. It's the Turtle Challenge. You'll see why I recommend them in this video here. The Fivers also have their boot camp, their 100k boot camp. I think that's really worthwhile. It gives you 12 months to reach a target. Have a look at these guys. Consider the benefits of being funded. We come back to that spreadsheet. For example, once you've scaled up to a say $100,000 account and you're on an 80% profit share or split, that's quite a nice outcome. Okay, 6% gain isn't difficult to achieve. Here's the thing though, if you've got 3 or 4 of these accounts running with different prop firms, okay, you could multiply that by however many. For example, say you've got 3 prop firms running. That's not a bad monthly income. My goal is to manage 4 accounts and work my way up to $1 million account balances. Okay, so that's something that's absolutely achievable. And I think in this current economic environment, $1 million account, even with a 50% profit split, is extraordinary. Okay, this is just one account. Have 3 of these running. Okay, that's a monthly income we're talking about here. So being funded is definitely worth some serious consideration. So coming back over here, guys, here's the invite. Okay, these are my live trades in real time. We have a chat room. It's a full support group here. We've got tutorials, members only, and it's from $19.95 per month. Click up here, join VIP, go to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Shout me a hamburger and chips every month and jump on board with us. Now, there's other options here as well. Seriously think about this, guys. This could be a game changer for you in a big way. The opportunity's there. Reach out and take it. So with that, guys, look forward to seeing you in Discord. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.